something here that new car for me to fix. Just got, let's see what it is. The slash. Whoa. It's a slash? I think it's an old slash. Look at this. Alright, let's take it inside. Alright, I have it in the basement. Sorry if it's a little dirty. Been doing a lot of projects with the drag slash, which still has to solder. Me very soon. It's been doing a lot of different stuff, but here it is. It's an older generation. The chassis, you can see how thin it is. Oh, look how thin it is. And like this thing is actually pretty heavy. It has the old Titan motor in it. Not sure if it works, but it came with these. Look at this. Ooh. Imagine this on the drag slash. Look at that. And look at that. That looks sick. The body alignment isn't perfect on the front. It could be a little bit shaved off, but you can see the suspension lines up with it. But definitely the rear suspension is a little soft. But wow. This whole car with the two bodies at my local hobby shop was $100. This is crazy. Get a battery, plug it in. It works. The steering is pretty good, but it's loud. The front bumper we need is on this, so I'm going to take it off with a little magic. Oh! Looks like I did a little too far. Actually transferred onto the car. That's actually pretty convenient. Alright, now I just need to put the screws into there. And I think we need to change it so it's on 50% throttle or change the battery. And then we can give it a blast for like 5 seconds. And then I want to put the VXL from the Stampede into this because it just doesn't really work that well. What the? Oh, that's crazy. Look at that. Whole brushless system. I also put in the new Sierra because this one wasn't working for some reason. And it's working now. The steering works. The throttle works. Plenty of power. I put the stock pinion on there. And let's get the body on and test it outside. Let's do it. Okay, so I got the body and it fits now. It looks awesome. I would just maybe put some different tires on it. But charging the batteries. And that run was actually on a 2S, so I can't wait until seeing is on 3S. But let's go. Alright, let's go down to the library. Alright, here it is. The small pinion thing actually goes really fast. You hear any loud scraping, it's just a body show. There goes the new body. Thing's not meant for corners. Yeah, it's horrible in the corners. It's so loud. Got a nice little straight area right here. This thing is not good in the corners. It goes maybe about 40-ish, maybe 35. It has a very small pinion on it. Oh, that was close. This is cool. I'm really gonna have to stiffen the suspension for this thing. I just noticed something. This thing almost does wheelies. There's a dog over there. Hopefully he doesn't have to mess with this thing. Because that'd not be good getting the same day. I'm gonna slim with that. Those little wheelies. Doesn't have too much grip or maybe a little bit more power to it. Oh, look at that. Oh, that was the other one. What if I go like... That doesn't really work. I gotta like fully stop in the corners. Alright, let's do one last speed run. I'm very happy with this. And the body just rubs a lot on the bottom. And this rear suspension, I need to put some oil in that. Maybe a bigger pinion in that. But I'm very happy with this thing. Let me just unplug it real quick. But we're going to be soldering this and getting it around very soon this weekend. So, there's that. But make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on any of this awesomeness. And also, don't forget to like my video, please. Yeah, make sure you subscribe too. Thank you for my physical and mental health. Thank you for watching.